皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland, Japanese tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe my channel. 今日のレッスンでは、数の数え方を勉強します。In today's lesson, we will learn how to count things. And at the end of the lesson, we will practice the listening exercise as well. Let's get started.
Hiki or piki is a count for when you are counting small animals. Small means how small is compared to human being. So if normal adult size, I mean. So smaller animal, we will use a hiki. Okay. So let's count. So this is a bit tricky because P can be P sound. P means hiragana, hi, and a little circle on the right top, like here. So pay attention, then we can pronounce together so that you can get the idea of the how to count animals. One is ippiki, two, nihiki, three. Closer look. This is a B sound. So dot dot right. 濁音 sound ね。3匹。then 4匹、5匹、6匹。Like we did 6個。So 6 instead of 6 we pronounce 6匹。7匹、8匹。So as you can see, if you can analyze as you learn more, maybe 6, 8 is some cases like a pronounce like ha or lo and 1 as well. Okay? 8匹、9匹、10匹。Then if you want to ask how many, 何匹ですか？何匹。So that's the counting for small animals or fish or something living creature ね。So that's the orange color. If you have a look, it's a pay attention for the pronunciation. 1匹、3匹. So 3 is B, B sound. 3匹. Then 6, 6匹, 8, 8匹, 10匹. ひらがな読めない人はこれを見てください。If you can't read ひらがな, please look at this. Okay? 例えば、猫ちゃんね、cat。これはうさぎ means rabbit。うさぎ2匹だね。not 金魚じゃない。鯉だね、鯉。鯉は英語で Japanese cove かな？うん。鯉は何匹だろうね。how many?Let's count together. 1匹、2匹、3匹、4匹、5匹、6匹、7匹、8匹、9匹 ?9 匹9匹だね。はい。例えば、うさぎが2匹います。Repeat after me. うさぎが2匹います。かわいいね。or, you learned います grammar point. Have you?If you haven't learned, check my previous lesson video. います or いる is you use the living things. They can move themselves. So animal is used when you want to describe there are two rabbits. There are, we use います not ある。Then, so short form is いる。Polite form, mass form is います。Same meaning.Okay, you can describe 漢字 or just number like this. Repeat after me. うさぎが2匹いる。Okay. Oh, by the way, then when you write a さ in handwriting, it's better to write a separate 1, 2, 3 ひらがなね。So that's, but just the computer on the PowerPoint, I cannot show the さ like a proper one. Okay, proper one is like that.Let's try one more time. うさぎが2匹います。うさぎが2匹いる。 So that's the list of the count animals. But you don't need to memorize all of them at once. Just along the way, along the journey, you can come back. Oh, what's the count of 4? So if you have a pet, maybe it's better to use how many pets you have. Okay, so this time we will practice listening. So I will create the example sentences. So I want you to listen. And then what's the counter I used? You can guess. Okay, 1番。子供は9個プレゼントをもらいました。Okay, so your job is you listen and then fill in the blank. If you have a piece of paper, please take a note. 子供は9個プレゼントをもらいました。2番、友達は10冊も本を買いました。友達は10冊も本を買いました。3番、田中さんは2匹の猫を飼っています。This exercise, question 3, I included the counter as well as noun. 田中さんは2匹の猫を飼っています。4番、アリが20匹もいる。アリが20匹もいる。5番、ドーナツを、this one has to be, ドーナツを3個ください。ドーナツを3個ください。Okay, did you catch? If you can't read the Japanese, you just listen. Okay. Or you need to learn the hiragana. So first one is I said 9個。子供は9個プレゼントをもらいました。So 子供 means child or children. Then Y is topic indicator. Then 9個 is today's topic number of small items. Well, the size, I said small items, but can be big. Size can be big as well if it's present. So like this size can be okay. It's just a counter for items. So もらいました. Maybe this is a new for you. Do you know もらいます to receive something. So this means 子供は means a child, or it could be my child received 9 presents. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 子供は9個プレゼントをもらいました。2番。This is a 漢字。So 友達ね。friends。友達は10冊。So I said 10冊ね。pronunciation 10冊も本を買いました。Okay, so this is a more is a particle, but this more is not also, meaning is more like emphasizing on the quantity that you mentioned. So the speaker thinks 10 books is a lot. So that's why when you want to use more, you can emphasize on the quantity. So maybe speaker think, oh, that's a lot. But if you don't think it's a lot, simply take it off like this. 友達は10冊本を買いました。It's not big deal. So, well, my friends bought 10 books. Okay? The next 3番. Let's practice pronunciation. This one together. Repeat after me. 友達は10冊本を買いました。はい。Good. 3番ね。Next one, 田中さん. So this is a typical Japanese family name. Then we add san. Family name, 田中さん. 漢字 would be like this. 田中さん. San is Mr. or Mrs. If you heard 田中さん, we cannot tell the gender, male or female, but it's a family name. 田中さん is topic maker. I said the 2匹のね、2匹。So that's the, what is 匹 Hiki is 2匹じゃ、count for animals, small animals. Then I said 猫。猫 is a cat. Then 飼っています。So 田中さんは2匹の猫を飼っています。It's a sentence. 田中、have two cats. So that's the meaning. 飼う is to have or to own. But by the way, kanji is different to 2 and 3. Okay, I'll write it down sometimes. So 買う both are 買う If you see this kanji letter, this means to buy ね。買う Okay, pronunciation 買う Then 買う So you see a little bit of 買う intonation down 買う This is to own the to own pets ね or have a pet or own or have a pet. So both are the same 買います same group. Hiragana intonation different. And then also which one? Maybe you can tell in the context. 買う Okay, so the to buy is 買う買いました。this 感じ。Then 買う the to own pets. And then I use the 手 form 手います is I will introduce along the word grammar points 手います。手います is continuing state because you own the cat and not right now. It's continuing from the past, maybe from the day one, like the cat's born. So it's continuing state is 手います。Then next 4番ね。4番は I said アリが20匹もいます。I use 20匹ね。匹。で、もういる。いる is to exist, living things, something they can move themselves. アリ means ant. Then I use a more here. You can, because when you use more, that's emphasizing also, wow, like, wow, there are so many ants feeling. But if you don't feel it's too many, you can take off more. Okay? So that's like this. 10匹, just describing fact. 10匹もいる. Or, if you want, you can say アリが10匹以上いる. 以上 means more than 20 ants. Normally you can't count ants. Ants is too small to count. Anyway, I just use a picky counter for. The last one, ドーナツを I said 3個ください. So ください is ordering something. So let's imagine you went to the donut shop. Like if you are in Japan, for example, Mr. Donuts, you step in the Mr. Donut shop, then you request, ドーナツを3個ください. You need to request what type of donuts if it's a donut shop. Chocolate, for example, chocolate donuts を3個 is 3. ください is please give me. So it's useful to learn the ko for when you go shopping or by requesting quantity. Let's practice those two. Repeat after me. アリが20匹以上いる。5番、ドーナツを3個ください。Okay, good. So that's for today. Count is a big topic. Along the way, time to time, I introduce more other things. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps. もしもっと学びたかったら、私のオンラインコースをチェックしてください。If you'd like to learn and if you'd like to enhance your learning or have more questions, please consider to enroll in my online courses and then you can ask questions related to Japanese. I'll see you in the next video. それではまた次のレッスンでお会いしましょう。さようなら。